Good evening, Toastmasters, and today is the third session of Pathways T. In previous sessions, we discussed why it is very important to go through educational materials available in Basecamp to improve yourself and complete your projects in the best way you can possible. Today, we are going to talk about your first level of your path. No matter what is the project you have selected, the first level is same for all the paths. The level 1 consists of 3 projects: icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, and number 3, research and presenting. I think most of you have completed icebreaker, so because of that I am not going to elaborate on the first project you have to do, that is icebreaker. I am going to talk much about your second project. As I told earlier, icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, then research and presenting. So in evaluation and feedback, you have to complete 3 assignments. Number 1, giving a speech and get an evaluation from an evaluator. Number 2, repeat a speech and implement those feedback you have received from previous evaluation. And as the third assignment, you have to do an evaluation to another speaker. After you completing those 3 tasks, you can complete the second project. And then it comes the third project, research and presenting. So I want to emphasize, in order to complete your level 1, you need at least how many meetings? 5 meetings. Icebreaker, then evaluation and feedback, your first speech, your repeat speech, and your evaluation to another speaker, and then research and presenting. So you need at least 5 meetings. If we assume 2 meetings per month, that means it will take nearly 3 months. So it is, when considering with all other levels, I personally think that level 1 is the toughest task, because you are a beginner to Pathways and you have to wait at least 3 months to complete your first level. But it's worth a try. Furthermore, I like to emphasize much more about your level 1, project 2. There are some unclear points for some of new Toastmasters, because you do a speech and then you receive the feedback. Then do you want to do the same speech again? No, it is not like that. You have freedom to select any speech you like as your repeat speech. It do not want to be the repetition of your previous speech. If you like to take a different topic, if you feel that you were not comfortable with your previous topic selection, you have the freedom to select another topic. So that's about project 2. And there's one more part, providing an evaluation. I am not going to dig deep about the theoretical aspects, but if you go through educational material available in Pathways Basecamp, you can get tons of information about how to provide an effective evaluation. So again, I like to remind, when you are attempting a project, first go through the educational material available in Pathways Basecamp. Or if you are not very convenient with web interfaces, just download the PDF and print and then read. So that's the time we have for today. Before winding up today's session, I like to remind that still you have the chance, if you have renewed your membership during last period, you have the opportunity to activate a free path, and I like to remind you to do that as fast as possible. And again, we talk about level 1 today, specifically project 2, and in the next session we are going to talk a little bit about project 3 and level 2 of your pathways journey. Thank you for the opportunity. Have a nice meeting.